Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Trongle interior car LED lights. So these are £7 actually, which is quite cheap for interior lights because they're about for a good set of them you're looking at £18, around £18 for £7 though. That's mad. But yeah, this does have mixed reviews though. Some say it's bad, some say it's good. So I'm gonna test it out and figure out if these are good or bad. So yeah. This is the packaging itself. I'm going to be putting these in the BMW. If you know, go check out the BMW videos, go check them out. So car atmosphere light. The main reason I bought this is because the interior of the BMW, even in the daytime, is very dark. Main reason for that is because we got all around tints, which is the main problem with that. So then what we can do is light up the whole interior. Then even in the daytime and nighttime, it's going to look amazing. So yeah, that's what we got this all for. So I like this color scheme they got here. It's like a rainbow color. Can you see that? You got a picture of like a Volkswagen or something. Oh no, that's a BMW. A BMW. Oh yeah, that is a BMW. That's mad. So that looks like a normal 3 Series from what I can tell. There's the gear knob. Can you see? That's pretty cool. Alright. So Trongle car interior lights. This is not a sponsored video. I wish it was. Because yeah, any money saved is money saved, guys. But yeah, it is what it is. So high quality RGB 5050. Let's see. Cigarette lighter 12 volts. So this one is a USB one. Let's go ahead and open. Okay, so this one you can use apps. You can use an app, or you can use a remote, which is the main reason I bought it. Because I wanted the option, I wanted the flexibility. I wanted something that can do the app. So this can do that. The main reason for getting the app is you have more color options. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to actually test these now. Okay, so you get free one of these with it. Actually might need this. Actually, that's a very good idea, because I have a lot of these, but one of them I have which isn't two. So I just hope this is fused, otherwise yeah, okay. I guess give you alcohol wipes and stuff. I think give you lots of zip ties. Oh no, oh yeah, they are wipes. I got a remote. So as you can see, you got limited color options here, whereas if you use the app you can pick the exact color you want, which is a mad thing, because it's 16 million colors I believe. So I'm going to open this battery. So the way you want to test these is you just want to plug them in. So I'm just going to plug them into this charger here. Take this one of these out. Oh, come on, you bastard. Oh my goodness. There you go. Okay. Where's this one? Oh my gosh. Is that the wrong way? There you go. There you go. Okay. So they're on now. So you want to check that all four are working. So I got a good pair, I guess, because the mixed reviews were that they don't work. But obviously we got all four working. And some said they were dim, where this does not look dim to me. So there's the on off button. If I hold it, does it go brighter, dimmer? No, don't do anything. Okay, got different modes. Oh, the mode just changes the color. So you got a remote on here. Oh, I like that. Oh, okay, so you do have modes now. There you go. Second one is a quicker version, I think. Yeah. Third one flashes. Fourth one flashes quicker, I think. Fifth one flashes also. It's very bright actually. In the reviews, some people said it wasn't bright. Oh, this scrolls to all the lights with the modes. Oh my god, this could be annoying. What's this? Just normal light? Okay. What's the top one? That's for music. Hello. Hello, you bloody bastard. Hello. Hello. I'm the mother. Hello. Hello. Okay, so this get in voice. That's your remote control sensor. Hello. I wonder where it's picking up the microphone. Might be in the box itself. Oops. Might be in the box itself. So yeah, turn that off for now. Oh, I want it back to normal colors. Hello, hello. There you go. Right. So I've got the remote anyway here. I'm pulled out. Test out the remote. Hopefully works. Yep, it does. Okay. So brightness. Let's get that to the fullest. Can dim it as well. So when it gets to the lowest amount, it flashes white. When it goes to the highest amount, it flashes white as well. There you go. That's the max brightness, which is not bad actually. Oh, look at that green setting. That's very bright. My car's red interior. Oh wait, actually I like that green. I really do like that green. So I might run like a green devil. Oh, look at that green difference. Oh, this is the one. This is the one I used to run like my Golf. Exactly this color. So I might run it the same on this car. And I like the purple as well. Oh, look at that purple, guys. Ooh, ooh. Okay, even without, I don't think I even need that. It's got the main colors that I wanted. So yeah, but if you want more options, you got the options. What does this do? Oh, this just fades different modes, I think. What does this do? I don't even know. Half this stuff I don't understand. Okay, max brightness, fade one. Okay. Music controls, jump. Okay, so these are all the settings. So yeah, I'm really impressed. Obviously, you can on, off. So I'll be installing these in the BMW sometime soon. Yeah, stay tuned for that. And so far, it seems okay. It seems okay. So yeah, let's just hope it stays like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.